Today, we're performing preventive maintenance on this air handling unit and switching it from summer to winter operation mode. We'll inspect mechanical components, check electrical connections, clean coils, replace filters, and verify system operation. Before starting any service, ensure power is isolated. Perform a lockout, tagout for safety. Then do a quick visual inspection for any burnt wires, loose connections, or signs of vibration. Next, we'll check the drive belt. This one's worn, so we're replacing it with a new belt of the same size. Check pulley alignment and adjust tension to manufacturer specifications. Too tight stresses the bearings. Too loose causes slippage. Inspect contactors, relays, and wiring. Tighten any loose terminals. Check capacitor ratings with a meter and look for pitting or discoloration on contacts. Repair or replace as needed. Gently pull on each terminal to ensure it's secure. Tighten any loose terminals using the proper torque. Confirm that wire ferrules or crimp connectors are intact and not oxidized. Verify all wire routing. Ensure nothing is rubbing against sharp metal edges or moving components. That completes our electrical inspection. All terminals are tight. Contactors are cleaned. This ensures the system's ready for reliable winter operation. Next, we'll service the evaporator coil. Use compressed air or a soft bristle fin brush to remove loose surface debris from the returner side outward. During the cooling season, restricted airflow and return side dust accumulation often allow particulate matter to settle on the coil surface. Apply a non-acidic, self-rinsing, foaming coil cleaner. Use a low-pressure sprayer to distribute cleaner evenly across the coil face and into fin pack. Allow the cleaner to dwell for 5 to 10 minutes for proper surfactant action. This emulsifies oils and organic deposits. Replace return air filters with the correct MERV rating specified by the manufacturer. Always check airflow direction before reinstalling the access panel. As indicated by the printed arrow on the frame pointing toward the blower or coil, restore main power at the disconnect or breaker panel. Verify proper blower rotation, monitor electrical load, and ensure stable operation. At this stage, we're confirming that all the maintenance actions we performed were critical. electrical, and airflow related translate into safe and efficient performance.